Hi, welcome back to Curly Beauty 13. In today's video, I am reviewing the Pattern Beauty hair brand. I've never used this full brand before. Prior to this, the only item I used was their scalp serum, and I'll put a picture of it right here so you can see what I'm talking about. But this is my first time using their wash products and their styling products. I started with their hydration shampoo, and I'll put a clearer version of it here because the lighting might be a little off. And it is a gentle cleanse and hydrate. I followed what it said and I shampooed with this 2 times, and I feel like it didn't strip my hair and my hair did feel clean. After the shampoo, I used the intensive conditioner for tight textures, and I wanted to use their intensive conditioner because my hair was very tangled and matted because I hadn't washed it in almost a week, and it was just sitting getting dry and it needed some intensity. For their conditioners, they have 4 different kinds, so I wasn't really sure which one I wanted to use, but because of the status of my hair, I decided to use this one. This one is the one that's great for tight textures, and it has extreme moisture and restoration. I liked it. I didn't love it. It was really thick. I feel like my Tangle Teaser is what helped those tangles come out. I'm not sure if it was this and the Tangle Teaser together or if this helped, but I know my Tangle Teaser, whenever I'm having a hard time, that tool helps me out a lot. So I'm going to quickly show you the other conditioners, but this is the one I use. This was the intensive conditioner for tight textures. It is for when your scalp and hair needs some extra TLC. They also have a lightweight conditioner for after washing, and this one is for curlies, coilies, and tight textures when your curls want a kiss of hydration. So only a little bit of hydration, you would use this one. Then they have the medium conditioner for curlies, and this one is when your curls need a hit of hydration. So this should be good with hydration, just the middle, like it's not a little bit like the first one, it's like a middle ground. And then there's a heavy conditioner for coilies, and this is when your hair needs to absorb all the moisture. It's like small, medium, large, and then the one I use is like the extra large. I liked it. I didn't love it. I will give it a try again. My hair, after sitting in the shower with it for a few minutes and using the Tangle Teaser, I did get the tangles out. So it is kind of thick though, so it's not really one of those conditioners that I would like to detangle my hair with because it was super, super thick. After getting out the shower, I used their treatment mask. This is the same packaging as the scalp serum that I mentioned. I put this in my hair. I twisted it in 4, I believe, and then I covered it with a plastic cap, covered my hair with a towel, and I sat with that in my hair for a while. It felt good when I took the shower cap off. This, I believe, is more of a protein type of conditioner. So my hair didn't feel super soft when I washed it out, but it didn't feel bad. So I think protein is kind of up there in the ingredients. So I think this wasn't supposed to make my hair feel soft. It's probably more of a strengthening mask. That's why it's called the treatment mask. Then after that, I styled my hair, and I will put a clip in as I'm talking so you can see how I styled my hair. I was trying to decide, and I don't know if I recorded, but I was trying to decide if I wanted to use a leave-in conditioner along with the gel that I have. And ultimately, I decided to only use the gel just to see how the gel worked. Next time, I will try to use the leave-in, but at this point, I am applying the curl gel to my hair in sections. I believe I sectioned it. I did the back first, then the middle, and then I did around the front. And I didn't really love how the gel felt going in my hair. I feel like I needed something with more slip, but it is a gel, so we're not expecting it to be the most detangling kind of process, and that's why I will try it with the leave-in conditioner the next time. But as you can see, I did put this gel in my hair, and then my hair did look really, really nice after the gel was in there for a while. After I finished styling, I did put a shower cap on my wet hair and left it in there for around an hour, and then I took my hair out and I diffused. So now it's the next day, so we're going to take it down now and see how it looks. So when I diffuse, I'm not a fan of diffusing because I used to feel like my curls did not dry the same, but as time goes on and I realize I should let my hair air dry first a bit and then diffuse, I think it's coming out better with the diffusing. The diffusing will cause a little more frizz, but that's okay. So my hair feels soft. It does not feel crunchy. It looks really shiny. I like the shine and I like the feel. This feels really nice. I really like this. So here's my part. So let me see if I can, let me just see if I was going out what I would do. This looks really good. So for my day 2 hair, it hasn't been 24 hours yet. I really like how my hair feels. You see the back? It's really shiny. I'm actually surprised. I see a little bit of something flying around, but I don't see flaking. I have to go in the mirror and really look. Let me just look real quick. So I don't see flakes or anything by looking in the mirror with a bright light, but tell me what you think about these curls, and wish you could feel my hair. It feels so soft for all this definition. This can last for a few days. I would definitely recommend this, and Pattern had a sale yesterday and I wish I would have ordered the bigger size of this, but I'll wait for the next one since I have some other products of theirs to try out. But this so far is really good. If I had somewhere to go and I needed to do my hair the night before, this is really what I'm looking for in a curl gel. This is really good. So far, I am happy with these curls. I will come back if I can to give an update in the next day or so just to see how these curls are looking. But I am so surprised and I'm really mad that I haven't used this already. So for the shampoo, I would use it again and try it. The conditioner, I want to give the other ones a try and see which one is best for my hair. The leave-in now, I don't know if I want to do the leave-in with this because this just looks so good. It feels good. The bottom is not dry. I guess I will try it with the leave-in eventually, but I will be purchasing the bigger size of this because I'm really surprised. That doesn't happen a lot. The other styling products that I have, and they're all in travel size, sample size, because I had ordered them with that scalp serum that I got, is the styling cream and the stronghold gel. Now the stronghold gel seems like it's more for edges and sleeking your hair back, while the styling cream, it seems like it's for twist outs, braid outs, bantu knots. It says and more. I'm thinking about doing finger coils with this to see how that works, because the cream might have a little more give than this curl gel, even though the curl gel, my complaints do not even match the results that I have right now. These two I want to try. There is a detangling nectar that I want to try and a mousse and probably something else. I'll be back with an update on this wash and go soon. Please look out for future videos where I use more Pattern products. I really am mad that I've waited so long because this looks great. So now I'm really interested in trying other ones like soon. If you are interested in seeing other wash and goes, click right here. And if you want to see some unboxings and hauls, make sure you click here. I hope to see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.